My nose is running. Do I have tissues here?
No, tissue?
Yes, please. Thank you. I hope the lighting stays this way. That's perfect. Hi guys, Rachel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a massive haul and swatches video. So I got heaps of products from Me Now. Hindi ito yung lahat ng range nila, but they gave me like, guys, this is one box and there's another massive one. I'll show ya. Lahat Me Now. And I'm filming here para maiba naman. So yes, I'm gonna start with this big box right here. So I got these packages separately. So first, itong malaking box na to na ang bigat-bigat, and then second is ito. So Me Now, if you guys know, I actually use some of their products. The lipstick that I'm wearing right now is the Kiss Proof na liquid lipstick. Every time I wear this lipstick, you guys always ask, what do you have on your lips? This is the lipstick that I used on my Q&A video na ang dami sa inyo nagtanong, ang dami over. Na some of you ask kung ano yung lipstick na yun. Ito yung Me Now na Kiss Proof liquid lipstick na nabili ko sa Divisoria for like what, 40 pesos. We all can hear it.
What?
We can hear it. You're not using your headphones. Is it? That's so loud. Are you sure it's plugged in? Alright, so magsa-start na tayo guys. Meron silang pinadalang ultimate concealer. So I have here 3 ultimate concealers, different shades. They have like sobrang dami nilang shades. I think they asked me to pick 3. So I have mine in the shade 001, 002, and 003. I will open one. So I think I'm gonna open 001 kasi siya yung pinaka light sa kanilang lahat. With concealers, I usually pick yung sa tingin ko dark kasi kapag nasa skin ko na siya, concealers and foundation actually, kasi kapag nasa skin na siya, it usually is lighter than what it looks. Ganyan yung itsura niya. It is a pot concealer, and pag open mo, you have that. Alam niyo naman yung experience. Oh, wow! Akala ko magiging ano siya, matigas. Actually smooth. Alright. Okay. Hala, oh, wow, bongga. Ooh, okay. Hindi siya mahirap i-blend. Hindi ko nga lang masyadong bet talaga yung pot concealer kasi kailangan mong mag-dig in doon. They also sent me this ice maker. So, eyeshadow palette siya, guys. They sent me 3 shades. Yung mga ano nila, letters. So, I have A, B, and C. So, yan yung A. Yan yung B. And then that's the C. Naka-seal pa talaga sila, guys. Well, hindi naman siya as in over kagandahang seal. But at least it's sealed. And okay yung packaging ng Me Now. In fairness naman talaga. Yung isa swatch ko is the letter A. Kasi I feel like ito yung feeling ko magagamit ko talaga. Kasi hindi siya like super colorful, very warm looking. So, meron siyang 12 colors. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga prices nito. I will swatch that black one right there. Hala, that, oh my gosh! Look how pigmented! That is insane. Oh, that's crazy. Wow, that's the black one. I will just randomly swatch mga shades here. Wow. Alright. That is looking good. That is looking good. Hala, in fairness naman. And then ito matcha. Oh. Okay, swatch natin. Oh, that looks really good. And then that one. Sobrang ano lang ng pagka-swatch ko, hindi ko dinidiinan. And maganda yung swatch niya. The black, oops, sorry. The black though, the black looks really good. Super pigmented. Gagamitin ko yan sa video, guys. And tingnan natin kung ano magiging itsura niya sa lids na talaga. Kasi the swatches looks really good. Oh, and then it comes with this as well. How to use. Instruction for color A number. Oh, diba? May pa-instruction pa talaga sila. And hindi siya putyo-putyo na papel, ha? Like, para talaga siyang... In fairness naman kay Me Now, social siya, ha? Para siyang Middle East na... I can be totally wrong right now, but... Babe, what do you think of that writing? That's not Chinese, is it?
It's Arabic.
Arabic. Sabi na dan, Arabic. In Fairview sa'yo, Minaw. And then I have 4 CC creams in here. Magkakaiba-iba yung kulay nila. As you guys can see, they have it in pink, green, yellow, and white. So, iba-iba. So, number 1 is Glow. Number 2 is Anti-Redness. Number 3 is Evenness, and number 4 is Bright. So, iba-iba yung purpose niya. I also have powders. So, meron akong 21, 7, and 13. I like na yung packaging niya. Nakaano talaga siya. Emboss. Emboss tawag dyan, diba? See? Right there. And ganyan yung packaging niya. Black lang siya. Very sleek, actually. Ay, mali pala. Dito pala ako open. Wait, where? Ah, okay. Ooh, wow, ang laki ng mirror. And meron siyang sponge, and that's the shade number 21. Dark siya tingnan. Swatch natin. Yeah, it's very yellow. Pero very smooth ng powder niya, guys, ha. In fairness naman. Hindi pa kasi ako nakatry ng mga face products galing kay Minaw. That smells good as well. Parang ano, chinchansu. Chinchansu. I also have the Minaw HD High Definition Powder. So this is a translucent powder. Oh my gosh, I can't open it. Oh, I just broke it. So translucent lang siya na powder. Sobrang puti niya tingnan. So sana ay meron silang puff na ganyan. May paminaw pa talaga. Oh wow, ang puff, ang soft niya. Ooh. Okay, gusto ko siyang i-feel, kaya lang kasi kapag na-open ko na to, it's gonna be messy. But I will try that in a different video. And then I have here the Eyebrow 01 and 02. Lahat ng packaging, meron talagang pamphlet. And then, so far, sa lahat ng nakita ko, yung packaging nila black lang. Ay, alright. Hindi ko naman in-expect to. Meron din siyang mirror, oh. Sobrang dark naman yan para sa akin. And bakit may black? Tapos ito, it's a wax. Yan. And then, I feel like meron pa siyang something sa ilalim. Kasi meron akong nafe-feel. Ay, alright. Ay. Paano ba to? Ay, pagilid. Pagilid pala. Ay, bongga. Meron siyang brush na kasama, besh. It reminds me of yung Intuit ko na yung pinakaunang eyebrow product na ginamit ko na meron din siyang brush na kasama. And yun yung brush na lagi kong ginagamit. So, iswatch natin si... it's going to be really dark sa akin. But I'll swatch it anyway. Ooh, actually, not bad. Wow, that's pigmented. Ang dumi naman ng ano ko, kamay ko tingnan dahil sa swatch. Actually, guys, that's not bad. Open natin yung 02. Kasi naman, brows are life. I like that. So, ito yung 02. I feel like that's going to be a really nice shade para sa akin. So, let's swatch that. Ano ba yun? Nag-tsaka naman ng pagka-swatch. Right there. Yep. Yeah, I like that shade. Okay. Yep, gusto ko yan. So, meron tayong, glow kit. May pag-glow kit si Minaw. Glow kit. Look how good that looks. Ang social naman tingnan, diba? A hashtag. Oh, diba? Napaka-simple lang ni Minaw. Walang ka-arte-arte sa mga ano nila. Ay. Oh, yung packaging niya. May pa-plastic. May pa... Hello! Ganda! Glow kit! Ngayon ko lang ito nakita. Highlighters. Wait. Ganyan yung itsura niya. And then, sa likod, nakikita mo yung mga shades. Meron siyang pa, ano dyan, oh. Hala, you can remove it. You can. Hala, pwede mo siyang palitan. So, siguro meron silang, meron silang refill ata. Hala. Okay, yung itatry ko is ito. Ganyan yung klase ng highlight yung gusto ko. Oh, alright. Okay. Ano siya, medyo... Oh! Wow! That's good. I like that. Sasabihin ko sana medyo ano siya, parang... Ano ba tawag dun? Medyo grainy siya tingnan. Kasi nung sinwatch ko siya, and sa finger ko kasi medyo grainy siya tingnan. Pero kapag sinwatch mo siyang ganyan, hala guys. Ang ganda niyang highlight na yan. Like, that's Vavavoom highlight right there. Tatry ko tong yellow. Hindi ko pa na-try tong yellow na highlight. See, kapag sa kamay ko talaga, medyo grainy siya. Pero kapag sinwatch mo na siya, hala naman talaga! Hala, that looks really good. I'm so excited to use this. Grabe! And hindi ko siya sinwatch na like, diin-diin talaga, ha? And then, meron tayong tatlong contour cream kit. Merong A hashtag, B hashtag, and C hashtag. I-open ko si A hashtag kasi it looks really natural. Tapos meron siyang banana na shade si A hashtag. Kapareho siya ng glow kit. Char, glow kit talaga. Tapos meron siyang mga name dyan. Ang ganda ng packaging po, guys. In fairness naman talaga kay Minaw. And same. Pwede mo siyang tanggalin. Hala! It's going to be perfect. Kapag gusto mong merong isang cream, tapos merong isang highlight sa isang palette, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Pwede kang create your own palette. You know what I mean? Hindi ako masyadong gumagamit ng cream. Like, I don't even know when was the last time I used like a cream contour or something like that. Hindi ako marunong. Pero iswatch natin. Contour. Alright. Ito, isa-swatch ko to. Cream. Ay, hindi siya masyadong pigmented. Siguro kasi yung top layer niya, parang oil lang. Oil talaga. Ay, iyon na. Iyon na. Yan. Yan naman pala. Okay, swatch natin. Ay. Ay, ang ganda. Ang ganda niyan. Walang etchos. Hindi siya like super dark. Oh, guys. Kapag na-blend mo na yan, contour pa more. Oh, diba? Ang ganda ng contour na shade na yan. And hindi siya like over na contour. Hindi siya ganun ka-dark. Kahit medyo dark siya tingnan dito, hindi siya ganun ka-dark. I'm excited. I-try natin itong parang salmon na shade. Salmon. Salmon talaga. Ay, medyo tsaka. Hindi ganun ka-appealing tingnan yung swatch niya. Para siyang patchy tingnan. But, we'll see. So, ito yung salmon, ha? Yeah, I don't think I will use that. No, not that one. Pero yung cream na contour shade talaga, bongga. Hala, excited ako gamitin to. Like, I will create my own palette. Charot! Lalagyan ko siya ng, highlight. Tapos yung dalawang cream contour, guys, it's basically the same as that one, pero iba-iba yung shades. So, hindi na natin siya i-open sa ibang video na yan. And then, I have in here the Ultimate Oil in Gel Lipstick Remover. This is going to be really handy. I'm actually thinking of doing a lipstick swatch sa mga lipstick kasi ang dami, guys. Makikita nyo mamaya. Sobrang daming lipstick. So, this is a lipstick remover. Very handy nito sa mga liquid lipstick. Like there, liquid lipstick. Itong suot ko ngayon. Hindi siya ganun kadali tanggalin. So, this will come in handy. Ito na, guys. Ito na ang party people. I have 2, 4, 6, 8 boxes of lip gloss. So, ito yung Pro Longwear lip gloss nila. So, one box comes with 2, 4, 6 lip glosses. Hindi ko masaswatch lahat, obviously, kasi medyo marami-rami naman to. Gusto ko mag-swatch ng nude. This one is in the shade Chestnut. Hello, guys. Ang ganda. Yan yung shade niya. Hindi ako masyadong magsusuot ng mga ganyan. Pero every time na nakikita ko itong mga ganitong shade sa ibang tao, nagagandahan ako. Pero para sa akin, parang, ano itsura mo, te? Anyari sa mukha mo. And then this one is Coffee. Hala, si Coffee naman talaga. Hindi mukhang coffee. Pero ang ganda niya. Hala, ang ganda talaga ng chestnut. I want that on my lips. Let me know kung gusto nyo iswatch ko siya sa lips ko talaga. And give you like a review as well. This one is in the shade Faded. Oh my gosh, this is my kind of nude. This is it right here. Yan. That's my kind of nude. Mauvey. I like that. Ito, cashmere. Yung cashmere, yan yung parang no sa akin yan. Feeling ko super pale sa akin yan. Ay! Sigaw ko na sigaw dito si Dan Angela sa couch. Nakita niyo ba si Dan sa TV? Yan. Oh, hala, may black! Babe, black lipstick! Black velvet. Saan ko to gagamitin? Halloween. Black talaga siya. And that's really pigmented ha. Hindi siya like pucho-puchong black na patchy. That's like legit black. Meron dito, parang feeling ko magugustuhan ko siya. Fetish. Parang dark nude. Ay, okay. Hindi naman pala. That's a beautiful color as well. Ibang-iba siya sa kung anong nasa dito, but that's not bad at all. Okay, mag-swatch tayo ng something bright naman. Kasi yung mga nandito, wala, gusto ko yung ganyang lighting. Kasi yung mga nandito, parang nasa, yeah, hindi siya bright at all. So, I will try the shade Coral. Oh, wow. That's really bright. Whoa. I also really, really like the packaging. Parang rose gold siya. Very muted rose gold. And then, nandyan lang yung pangalan niya. Flamingo. So, it's gonna be another bright one. Hindi ko yan masusuot. Hindi. Hindi siya ganun kapigmented, kagaya ng iba. Pero, if you're into that color, guys, hala, nag-set na yung ibang shades. And I really want this shade. Ito. Ay, wait. Saan ba yan? Ito nga. Ito. Sino nga ulit yan? Si Chestnut? Chestnut ba yun? Meron pang 4 na boxes na hindi ko na-open. Pumpkin! Pumpkin looks good. Hala guys, ano, parang burnt dark orange. Yan. Meron silang semento. May pagka grayish green siya. Kung yan naman ay trip nyo, ay it matches my nails. Kung yan naman ay trip nyo, super pigmented niya. Meron pa 2 boxes dito, hindi ko na yung open kasi meron pa tayo dito. Sobrang daming lipstick. Okay, before I dig in sa sobrang daming lipstick na to, I will show you guys the rest first. They also have this volumizing mascara. Looks like that. Meron siyang kasamang liners. 2 eyeliner? Yeah, eyeliner. This one is black. Pigmented ba? Hindi ganun ka-pigmented. Or siguro kasi first layer pa lang. Okay naman siya. Pero sobrang daming swatch na yun. And then this one is brown. Okay naman siya. Hindi siya like super pigmented. Pero siguro kapag na swatch mo na siya ng maraming beses, parang mawawala yung first layer niya. So, yan yung kasama sa mascara na to na, wow, ang laki. The wand. Ganyan yung itsura ng wand niya. Ay, naano din siya o nabibend. Ganon. Okay. I also have here the Eye Defining Liquid Liner. This is in the shade 01. Iba din yung packaging niya, ha? Maganda. Ganyan siya. Parang hindi ako masyadong marunong gumamit ng ganyan. Ah, hala, that is so pigmented. Before na tayo pumunta sa mga lipsticks, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung Color Clear Beauty Blusher. So, they gave me 4 shades. Yung packaging niya, same nung powder. So, merong emboss na minaw na logo dyan. Meron na naman siyang mirror, guys. And then, meron siyang 2 shades ng blush. And then, it comes with a brush as well. Oh, that's pigmented. Whoa, that's pigmented. Really pigmented. Alright. Swatch natin. Oh, wow. That's really pigmented right there. Hindi ko alam kung kaya ko yan. Parang hindi kaya ng mukha ko yan. Napaka-bright naman ng mga blush na yan. Pero yung powder niya, ha, it's very smooth. Hindi siya parang grainy sa feel. And then, guys, ito na, yung mga lipstick na excited na ako. Kung na-excite kayo sa lip gloss kanina, hay nako, ito. That's crazy. Ganito yung packaging ng lipstick, ha. Ganyan. And hindi siya putyo-putyo na karton, guys. Like, okay talaga siya na karton. This one is in the shade 10. And it is their True Color Image lipstick. Ay, guys, magnet. Hala naman. Social, in fairness, magnet. Hala. Ay, I can do this all day. I like that. Okay, this is shade number 10. Naubusan na ako ng space. Ang tsaka ng pagka-swatch. Ah, makikita mo pala dito. Meron naman pala siyang ano dyan, bangag dyan. Walang nude. Right. Pink. Red, pink. Come on, nude. Come through, nude. Wala. Medyo may pagka-reddish. Ito. Alright. Number 03. Wala siyang ka-etchos-etchos na pangalan kagaya ng lipstick. Lip gloss. Wala lang. Meron din siyang pamphlet. Swatch natin siya dito. Hindi ganun ka-pigmented yung lipstick nila. Siguro kasi first layer pa lang. Pagbigyan natin. Hindi siya like nude-nude talaga. Para siyang may pagkasama na shade. Hanap pa more. Gusto nyo ba na iswatch ko yung mga lipstick na to din? Hindi ko alam kung anong gusto nyo. So, let me know. I feel like gustong-gusto ko yung lip gloss. So, I think I will swatch the lip glosses. Kahit na alam ko na mahihirapan yung aking lips. Iiyak ng bongga yung lips ko nun. But, we'll see. This one is shade number 13. Hindi siya ganun kadali i-swatch. Medyo siya, pahirapan ng swatch. But that's the shade right there. It's actually not bad. I'm excited, guys. So I will definitely try the face makeup, the blushes in a separate video. So I will do that. Sa dami nito, I think I will do more than one video to do a first impression review. Sobrang excited ako na i-try yung glow kit. As in, yung swatch ng highlights. My gosh, I cannot wait. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please like this video if you want to see the swatches of the lip gloss or the lipstick. Let me know kung ano yung gusto yung makita. I will review it as well during the swatching video, you know. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget to be good. Bye!